The entire controversy around Vinesh Phogat's disqualification refuses to die down. Even as we wait for the Court of Arbitration for Sports to finalize on her appeal to be given a shared silver, a lot of questions are now being asked of the Chief Medical Officer appointed by the IOA for the contingent in Paris. Dr. Pardiwala is a very renowned sports surgeon, and a lot of Indian athletes get their surgeries done by him, including, of course, injury management and rehabilitation. Now, he was appointed as the Chief Medical Officer along with a whole other host of doctors and specialists for the entire Indian contingent in Paris for the 2024 Olympics. And he was the one who was fielded by the Indian Olympic Association as the voice from the contingent on the medical side to speak on what exactly happened as far as Vinesh Phogat's episode is concerned. Now, post that, a lot of people have started targeting him as the person responsible for not being able to manage Vinesh Phogat's weight. While Aman Sherawat also had a lot of weight to shed, and his coaches managed it, his coaches being the Wrestling Federation's coaches. Most prominently, former Hockey India president Narendra Batra has targeted Pardiwala and questioned why he was able to handle Aman Sherawat's weight, for example, or why Aman Sherawat's team was able to handle his weight and Pardiwala and his team was not able to handle Vinesh Phogat's weight. Now, to defend Dr. Pardiwala, none other than IOA President PT Usha has come out saying very clearly that weight management is not something that IOA staff or IOA specialists do for athletes who are in weight category disciplines. For example, weightlifting, boxing, there's also, of course, wrestling itself. These athletes, particularly the elite athletes, the top athletes, as far as these disciplines are concerned, have their own staff that have been working with them for many, many years. For example, you would have noticed that when Vinesh Phogat was fighting her bouts, it was not the national wrestling coach, Virender Daya, but Waller Atos, who was actually sitting next to the mat when Vinesh Phogat was fighting her bouts. That's because she's been working with this particular coach for many, many years. She also has her own physio, her own nutritionist and other specialty staff. And these are the people who travel with her for her competitions, not just the Olympics, but otherwise as well. And they are the ones who are primarily responsible for managing the weight and other considerations for the athlete. The IOA medical team is, of course, there so that they can handle any cases that come up to them, or for athletes who don't have personal staff when they're traveling for the Olympics. So PT Usha has very categorically said that it is extremely unacceptable for people to target Dr. Pardiwala, who was not personally responsible for Vinesh Phogat's weight management. It is entirely she and her team who's responsible for this. And you know, in the past, athletes like Vinesh Phogat and others have also fought for this right, that they want to travel with their private coaches, they want to travel with their private physios, and therefore then when you fought for that right, which is generally not allowed, or when was generally being opposed by the Indian Olympic Association in the past, because it bulks up the number of people you have to take as far as the contingent is concerned, then the responsibility falls on you and your team alone. So PT Usha has come out and clarified that in no uncertain terms, even as the IOA is fighting to ensure that Vinesh Phogat can be given a shared silver by her appeal at the CAS.